Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to mix up a little concoction to kind of open up the leaves of your grass or the blades of your grass. Any plants, you could spray it on your garden, your fields, your grass, anything like that, any plants. This is going to open up the pores, it's going to clean them off, and it is going to prep it for any type of fertilizer or other tonic that you put on. It's going to make it a lot more receptive, and it's going to have it take a lot more effect. So it's going to maximize the results of any other tonic. All right, so what you do is get your hose end sprayer. We're going to open it up, and this is very simple. There are two simple ingredients. Number one is beer. So you can take any kind of beer you like, not light beer though, and it requires 1 can of beer. So that would be about 12 ounces. We've got milliliters on that side, ounces over here. So we'll just pour that in. Now obviously this is a bottle, so it's like 16 ounces instead of the 12, so we'll get as close as we can. Then it requires 1 cup of soap. So 1 cup of soap is liquid measure, dry measure, it's close enough. So we'll take this and just throw it in there. About 8 ounces is a cup. So we'll just start going like this. And the soap is heavier, so it's going to sink to the bottom. There we go. That's about it. And so if we take a look at our level there, we're at about, yeah, we need a little more soap in there. There we go. And then from there, what you would do is top the rest off with a little bit of water. Now this can be hose water, pure water, whatever, but I got a little water bottle here. So we'll take this, top the rest off with water, and there we go. Now, an important thing to note is that you don't have to top it off with water. The reason is because when you hook this up to your hose, it's going to spray water in down here and mix up in with the stuff and then spray it out into your lawn, depending on the setting you have here. 1 ounce, whichever. I'm going to leave it on 1 ounce because that's a good setting. So you can do that. If you put water in there with it, it dilutes it a little bit, and it also is going to make it go over more area. You could change the setting. If you don't want to put water in there, it doesn't matter. I like to keep it on the 1 ounce, and I like to top it with water just to kind of make it go a little further, but it is up to you on what you would like to do in that aspect of it. So again, what this does is it will allow your plants to be more receptive to whatever you put on after this. So it's going to open them up and open those pores. It's like washing your face with a scrub and then using a cleanser after that. That's what this is doing. So there it is. Again, 2 simple ingredients: soap, beer, hose end sprayer. Put it in there, spray it on the lawn. Links to all this in the description below. All right, so here we are. We're gonna spray the little tonic that we mixed up, soap and beer, right on some grass. This is grass that isn't really grass. It's got a lot of weeds in it. So if you take a guess of what I'm going to do next after we spray this, I'm going to spray some weed killer and get rid of those, turn this into a nice beautiful golf course type lawn. All right, you'll see progress in all the videos. This is the lawn I'm going to be working with this summer. You'll see the difference. Here we go. This is the soap and beer. Spray it on. We got the hose end sprayer setting on 1 ounce. Hose connected. You're basically going to spray to the point of runoff. You want to soak this stuff down because the wetter it is, the more it's going to absorb and the better off it's going to be. Now, times to spray. Spray when it's cool out. You don't want to spray in the heat of the day because a lot of it would be evaporated. You want to be spraying when it's cool. Like today, it's kind of a cloud covery day. It's blustery. Sorry for the wind. But it's a cool day. You could do this in the morning or you could do it at night if you're in hot weather time. But basically you want it to be cool so that the stuff gets absorbed rather than evaporated. And then again, you know, it's waterproof to rain, so try not to do it right before it rains. make sure there's at least a couple hours so it can get absorbed. So that's it. Water, beer, soap in a hose end sprayer. Again, I'll have links to all this in the description below.